Shots fired, unpacking the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a popular English phrase that you might hear in movies, on TV shows, or in everyday conversation. Shots fired. It's a phrase that's loaded with meaning, and not just the literal one. So, let's explore what it means, when to use it, and some examples to help you understand it better. Stay tuned to become a phrase master by the end of this video. When you hear shots fired, the first image that comes to mind is probably from a movie scene with guns and action, right? That's because, literally, shots fired refers to the actual discharge of firearms. It's something you might hear in a news report about a crime or during a military conflict. However, shots fired has also become a metaphorical phrase. It's used to describe a situation where someone has made a critical or attacking remark towards another person. This is the non-literal use that's become extremely common. It indicates a verbal exchange that might be sarcastic, competitive, or confrontational. It's crucial to understand the context in which shots fired is used. If it's during a debate or a heated discussion, the phrase is likely being used figuratively to point out that someone just made a sharp criticism or accusation. It can be playful or serious, depending on the tone and situation. Let's look at some examples. 1. In a debate, after a politician makes a pointed critique of their opponent's policy, a commentator might say, "Shots fired by the senator." 2. In the workplace, if a coworker points out a mistake in a funny way during a meeting, someone might whisper, "Shots fired," to highlight the humorous criticism. 3. On social media, when someone posts a sarcastic comment on a friend's photo or status, others might respond with "shots fired" to indicate a playful jab. When expressing shots fired, your tone can change the meaning. A serious tone can make it sound like a stern accusation, while a light-hearted tone may show you're joking around. It's all about how you say it and the context you're in. That's a wrap on shots fired. We've uncovered the layers behind the literal and figurative uses of this phrase and shown how context matters. Remember, words can be powerful, and understanding phrases like this can help you navigate English more effectively. Thanks for watching, and we hope this explanation helps you in spotting the phrase shots fired in conversations or media. Until next time, keep learning and keep practicing.